Mike, what a pleasure to see you. Thanks so much for being on the podcast from my old alma mater. It's really a pleasure. Thank you for joining me. Now, as I mentioned before we started, a lot of people in the crowdfunding industry like to use the term institutional quality real estate or institutional sponsor, institutional investors. Let's talk about that. Let me start at the very, very top. What is institutional quality real estate?
We think of institutional quality real estate. We think of the major food groups. I think most in real estate private equity funds are predominantly playing in either one office, two retail, three logistics, or four multifamily. And those are the four sort of, I'd call it the major food groups where most of these funds are investing. We also do have, more specialty, or people are calling it alternative real estate, where they're investing in new product types like data centers, student housing, self-storage. So there's different types of asset types that people can invest in. I actually personally feel all of that fits under institutional quality real estate. I think everyone sort of can differ depending on what they think is institutional quality, because I think most people probably think of it as larger assets, like Class A office buildings, right? Or trophy assets. I think that's the average person probably looks at that and says, okay, well, I'm buying a small retail shop, right, that has one tenant. That's very different than buying an entire outdoor mall. Right. And so I would say that it's the nomenclature people sometimes get caught up with. But institutional real estate to me can be anything from that, like literally from a Class A office building to a trophy hotel in Hawaii, all the way down to manufactured housing. And we've seen everyone do that across the board. In fact, actually, I was on a call earlier this morning and Sam Zell was a speaker, and he was talking about, if you look at all the different things that he's invested in the public REIT space, it goes from manufactured housing to equity office properties that he sold to Blackstone, and then to multifamily and industrial and stuff he's doing down in South America. So it really can range. There's quite a big range for institutional quality real estate.